Okay.
Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
uh, Hello everyone, my name is Aripa. Let me introduce my hometown. My hometown is Incheon of Korea. Countries are where is Incheon, history, professions, famous place and food, and celebration. Korean capital city is Seoul. Here, Incheon is West Seoul. Incheon was built in 2000 years ago. Incheon was named Michuor first time. Michuor mean water village. And Incheon is the second port city of Korea. Uh, Population is almost 3 million, and which is the third biggest city in Korea. Mm, and this is Incheon symbol mark. In Incheon symbol mark shape is a wave over sea. He is now Incheon mayor. Uh, he is 50 mayor, and he has been mayor since 2008. This is Incheon City Hall. Uh, in Incheon economy is led by the transportation industry. There are many in the transportation companies in Incheon. Also, there is Incheon International Airport, which is the biggest in Korea. This is Incheon Bridge. Incheon Bridge connect Incheon and Incheon Airport. Mm, the bridge was built 2009, which is the longest bridge in Korea. And this is Songdo. Songdo has Songdo Central Park and the Hyundai Premier Outlet. Songdo Central Park motivated by New York Central Park. Around is a hotel and company. Hyundai Premium Outlet has a lot of brand shop and restaurant, coffee shop. I love it because I lost track of time when I go to here. Mm, the place in the picture is Chinatown. Some Korean Chinese people migrated in Incheon after Korea War, and they built Chinatown in central area of the city. They make the jjajangmyeon. Jjajangmyeon means Korean style black bean sauce noodle. Black bean sauce noodle made of black bean paste. Add onion, potato, pork, and some veggie. This Wormy Island. Wormy means tail of half moon. Wormy Island has a theme park, the picture theme park. A famous ride is biking. The biking goes up 90 degrees. It's so scary. And you can see the coast and take a walk. Uh, the place is Seoul. Seoul is west side of Incheon. Seoul has Seoul Port and the seafood market. Seoul Port close seafood market. Seafood caught in Seoul Port is sold to people in seafood market. This is all the seafood market. And you can eat fresh seafood and raw fish in seafood market. Incheon celebration is 부평 풍물 festival. 부평 is area or region. 풍물 means traditional Korean musical instrument. The festival held in autumn and lasts 3 days. You can enjoy traditional culture and music. And it's a firework in last day night of festival. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Thank you.
Any question?
Welcome.
감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you.
Please close this so the students can ask a question. Beautiful. Okay, question.
Yes, I have a question.
Same people are asking a question. Okay, Juan.
Me.
Juan.
Hi, Ari. How are
Hi.
you?
Sorry.
I get.
Hey, teacher, what happened, teacher?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, continue. How is the weather in different seasons of the year there?
We have 4 seasons. Same Canada: spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Yeah, but it's cold or it's warmer? How's the weather? Usually, how usually?
Usually, spring is warm. Spring, autumn is warm. Warm is ceiling, and winter is minus 10 degrees, almost 10 degrees, 5 degrees usually.
Minus?
Yes, minus 5
minus?
degrees. Yes,
Wow.
winter is similar in Canada. Yeah, the summer is hot, 24 degrees. Yeah, 25
Okay.
degrees. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Galia.
Yes, hi, Ari. Very
Hi.
nice.
Thank you.
Welcome. I talk about the cost of money living in your city.
Money?
Expensive or cheap for living in.
I think expensive for people. Family is almost 3,000 and 4,000 in month. Yeah, it's expensive.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
Thank you for answer.
Okay, next. Rula.
Yes, can I ask Ari? Yeah.
Rula.
Yes.
Rula, your microphone.
Question.
Hi, Ari. Thank you for your presentation. It's very beautiful. And I want to ask you, who is the famous actor in your hometown?
Famous actor?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I know we don't have a famous actor, but Korean famous actor is Song Kang-ho Song. He is Parasite movie. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for
Lee Min-ho.
Okay, next question. Alpha, look at Alpha.
I have a question in my mind. Korea, I think, too close to China.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I listen the people talk about that China should have just 2 children. The question, the Korea same or not?
Yeah, say 1 child and 2 child. Yeah, Korean.
The government, just should to the people just have 1 child?
No. Maximum 1 or 2.
Oh no. Oh, maximum. Korean people have tried it. It's free, but Korean people want to
that's
one or two
that's what
child.
Bob was asking. Is it a rule or you are free?
Yes, free.
That's
But Korean people usually want to one or two child.
Thank you.
Can I ask Ari?
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Ari. Thank you for the presentation. Ari, you are from South Korea?
Yes, South
Yeah.
Korea.
Okay, you allowed to travel to North Korea? You visit before?
No, never. We
Never.
never visit.
Because they are different between.
Yeah, similar but different. Yeah, North Korea.
Okay, thank you so much, Ari.
Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna move on. Apa, if you wanna present now. Okay, let me, okay, give me a minute. Let me stop the recording.